Without further delay, let's begin the panel discussion. May I invite participant number 1, Sanvi Jain, to share her views.
पहिए ने इंसान की रफ्तार बदली, बिजली ने दुनिया की तस्वीर बदली, इंटरनेट ने दुनिया को जोड़ा और अब कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता मानव सभ्यता को गढ़ रही है. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. Google CEO Sundar Pichai once said, AI is probably the most important thing humanity has ever worked on, more profound than electricity or fire. AI is not a short-lived technology, as it doesn't remain the same. It evolves, learns, and expands into new fields every single day. A technology that is evolving every single day is not fading. It becomes indispensable. Today, AI helps doctors detect diseases, assist scientists in making new medicines, and transform education. Vidya dadati vinayam vinyad yati patatam. Knowledge gives us wisdom, and in today's world, AI is the part of that wisdom. If we fail to learn or embrace AI today, we won't just miss the technology, but we will miss the opportunity to shape the future. The same AI which helps doctors can also create deep fakes, spread misinformation, and harmful content. Technology is never the villain, its misuse is. AI may write the code of tomorrow, but the choices we make will decide the future of humanity. But remember, technology will shape the future, but the decisions we make today will decide whether the future becomes a masterpiece or a mistake. Thank you.
Thank you so much. With this, that it is indispensable but should be wisely used.
So now I invite participant number 1.
It is no use walking anywhere to preach unless our walking is our preaching. Greetings to everyone present. The quote that I began with by Saint Francis of Assisi reminds us that true preaching is not about the words but the life we live. Before I dive deep into the topic, let me elaborate the term attractive profession. The word attractive here does not merely mean financially rewarding. It also talks about purpose and respect. उपदेश शब्दों से नहीं जीवन से दिया जाता है. उपदेश शब्दों से नहीं जीवन से दिया जाता है. A true preacher does not just change beliefs, they change lives. And this ability to influence us without any force is called soft power. According to WHO, more than 280 million people suffer from depression every single day. And they turn to religious preachers for help, for hope, but not for miracle. Even though there is no official record, but the numbers of the religious preachers are increasing every single day. Because it not only serves the society but also promises a great deal of money, name and fame. Large religious institutions are running schools, media channels and brands. Some leaders are charging ample amount of money just for one sermon. Children are practicing preaching when education should be their priority, and Articles 25 to 28 of the Indian Constitution guarantee every citizen to practice, profess and propagate any religion freely, and this just makes religious preaching constitutionally secure. That's the brownie point. It takes years to build the respect, the trust, but only one mistake to lose it. Faith should never become a business. क्योंकि धर्म व्यापार नहीं होता, मानवता से प्यार होता है. As Indian philosophy teaches us, a true preacher does not change our beliefs. They change our lives. They do not create followers. They create responsible human beings. Thank you.
That was a masterfully sharp delivery, and what I got of it is that practice what you preach. And I liked the way you defined that it's not the attractive profession. I like the definition. So now it's time for the crossfire round. I invite participant number 6, please choose. Participant number 1 to choose your.
I have the question to speaker number 5. You completely interconnected the religious preaching with money and economy. But don't you feel that there are many preachers who really want to connect us all with spirituality?